It's people that have built our company to be a success that is today. They are the ones that came up with great ideas. They are the implementers, innovators, and they are the ones that upheld the quality standards. So when we started production 18 years ago, we had only one noodle line and only 70 people. Today, where we have over 800 employees and 4 production lines. Our company is focused not only in building our brand and our product. Our number one priority is to build our people along with it. So we develop them, we train them, and we make sure that they are treated well, meaning that they are treated like a member of our family. We came up with a program to help young mothers by having a preschool and a daycare program. This program is very important because it helps young mothers return to work and feel that their children are in their safe environment without having to worry about them, and they know that they are well taken care of while they are at work. Our company offers a scholarship program to the talented children of our employees and to give them a better future without having to worry about funding. It's very important for us to train our employees continuously because we feel that when we give them training, we are not only investing for the company's future but also the future of our country.